Hi everyone. This time we will look at Unit 5, Listen for Historical Development. When you go into the folder, you will see 4 lessons here, and this time we will focus on Lesson 3. As you see, there are 2 folders in this lesson, Evolution of Computers and Timelines. Timelines is about note-taking, so this term we won't focus on note-taking, so we will skip it. We will focus on evolution of computers. In each lesson, for this asynchronous lesson, you should do the test first before you listen to the audio. Okay? When you click on it, you will see that there are some words: a device, an abacus, to count, to invent, a punch card, a weaving loom, a code, a vacuum tube, a silicon chip, and affordable. And in column B, we have some pictures and we have some definitions. You should check the meanings of the words and you should match them with the pictures or with the definitions. This is the first step. And then you should download the handout. Let's download the handout and see what the lesson is about. Okay, as you see, there are 2 tasks in the handout. The first part, we see a chart, number, event, and date. As you see, we have some events here. And we will listen to a short talk about the evolution of computers. As you listen, first you should order the events in the chronological order. Which event is first, which event is second, third, fourth, you should write here. And then you should add the dates to complete the chart below. When did Pascal invent the first automatic calculator? You should write the dates here. This is the first task you should do while listening. And when you are done with the chart, you should listen again and answer these questions. First question: what was abacus used for? What is the purpose of it? This is the question. And next, what could the first calculator? We are talking about first calculator. And then what did the holes in the cards create? And how is Babbage known today? What did the first computers look like? You should describe it. And how were second generation computers different from first computers? So you should write the differences between them. This is the second part. Now pause the recording and listen to the audio. I assume that you have listened to the audio, complete the chart, and answer the questions. When you are done, you should go to the evolution of computers answer key. Okay, as you see, the first event is that abacus was invented in Babylonia. The second event is about first automatic calculator. Third one, Leibniz designed another type of calculator. Fourth one, it's about a weaving loom that used punch cards, etc. And as you see here, we have dates of the events. Before we move on, I want to just focus on this one, BCE. If we are talking about history, we will see it a lot. So this is an abbreviation. It is full form is before Common Era. Okay. And the answers for the questions. The first one, what was the purpose aim of abacus? It is for counting. What could the first calculator do? Adding numbers. What did the holes in the punch cards create? The code. It created the code. And how is Babbage known today? He is known as the father of the computer. And what did the first computers look like? As I said, it's a kind of description. It is huge. They were huge, and they were with vacuum tubes. And how were second generation computers different? They were smaller, faster, and they were with silicon chips. These are the answers. Actually, before we finish, I want to say one more thing. This is the answer key. If you want to see the transcript, if you want to see the answers on the transcript, you should go to the evolution of the computer transcript with answer key. When you download it, you will see that the answers for the questions are here. You know, sometimes we need transcript to understand better, to see the exact place of the answer, etc. So if you need it, it is there.